Good morning, everyone. We're just waiting for defendants.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Araceli. I don't think anybody's here yet. That's good. How do we get rid of that? Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's beauty. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, the girl, the girl was very nice. I think it's a system that's sluggish. Porque like they got 80% of the staff out. So focus on the 20 that are actually working. Only about the 20% of people who are actually in the office getting work. You know what it is, Jeff Morales? I picture him to be like the size of Jeff Morales for some reason. Y cuando vino aquí, was surprised. He's a couple of inches taller than me. No wonder me estoy peleando con Alex. Yo vi casi más aquí. Y dije, no, no puede ser tan fácil como me dice, ¿cuándo? Y luego me dice, no, pues sí, que no me da no. Y luego te empiezo a pasar lo mismo. No, pues está bien. Y dice, no, dice, yo no me dice, the director of the is trying. So there you go.
There. Let's see if that works. Okay. Do we have anyone yet?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Yeah, everybody's ready. We got De La Cerda, Macías, and Villena. Ready?
Let's do De La Cerda.
De La Cerda. Yep. Right, it just. You understand any problems, sir?
All right. Good morning. Court calls a case of the state of Texas versus Eduardo de la Cerda, cause number 2020-0C03263. Let the record reflect this proceeding is being heard in reference to in compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster, the guidance issued by OCA and the El Paso Council Judge's statement to the attorneys of the El Paso Bar regarding coronavirus. May I have announcement of counsel?
Samantha Nelson for the state. The state is ready.
Araceli Solis on behalf of the defendant. We're ready, Your Honor.
You are Eduardo de la Cerda.
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Solemnly swear firm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Charged with the offense of, you can put your hand down, sir, driving while intoxicated with a .15 below or above, alleged to have occurred in El Paso County, Texas, 2nd day of August 2019. To those charges, sir, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Any priors, Ms. Nelson?
Yes, Your Honor. The defendant received deferred adjudication for a fail to ID from 2004. He was also charged in Georgia with a DUI in 2016, but we reviewed the judgment and the defendant pled to reckless driving.
Okay. The court will find you guilty, Mr. De La Cerda, sentence you to a year in jail, probated for 17 months, $750 fine, $30 per month community supervision fee. You're to complete 120 hours of community service, attend DWI school, victim impact panel, be subject to breath and urine analysis, a 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew, pay a $60 lab fee, a $15 video fee, install the camera interlock on your vehicle. You're not to drive anything that does not have that device installed, and reimburse El Paso County for court costs. Anything further, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Good luck, Mr. De La Cerda.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Samantha.
Robert, take a seat. Your Honor, who's next?
I don't have any other attorneys here right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Judge, Mr. Uraga is logging on now.
Right. There's Mr. Dakotes. Do we have Mr. Vienna? Good morning, Mr. Dakotes.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Doing good.
Take a step forward. Step forward.
All right. Court calls a case of State of Texas versus Reynaldo Cosme Villena, cause number 2019-0C09506. Let the record reflect this proceeding is being held in reference to and compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster, the guidance issued by OCA, and the El Paso Council Judge's statement to the attorneys of the El Paso Bar regarding coronavirus. May I have announcement of counsel?
Samantha Nelson for the state. The state is ready.
Other coach for Reynaldo Cosme Villena. Ready.
All right. You are Reynaldo Cosme Villena?
Yes,
Raise your right hand, sir. Solemnly swear a firm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
yes,
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
no, ma'am.
Have you discussed the immigration consequences of a plea of guilty with your attorney in this matter?
Yes,
Mr. Dakotes,
Yes.
have you advised your client this is a deportable offense or not?
Yes, Judge. Excuse me. You there?
Yes.
Sorry about that. It's being treated as a DWI first, but I believe it's his second on his record, which is not good for his immigration situation. And we have sat down and spoken to him about that.
All right. Mr. Vienna charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated, alleged to have occurred October 18, 2019, To those charges, sir, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty? Mr. Vienna?
Yeah, well, I would like to take it to trial. No,
All right.
Okay,
If you want a trial, we'll go ahead and schedule it for trial, sir.
Okay, thank you.
thanks, Judge. Just
Thank you.
yeah, okay, that's all right.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
I've got an 11 o'clock, Judge, so I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Mr. Uranga? Good
Good
morning.
morning, Your Honor.
Do we have Ms. Macias there?
Go back to the lady, because they can do that, you're not. You want to go to trial?
All right. Court calls a case of the state of Texas versus Myrna Macias, cause number 2020-C00927. Let the record reflect this proceeding is being heard in reference to and in compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster. The guidance issued by OCA and the El Paso Council of Judges statement to the attorneys of the bar regarding coronavirus. May I have announcement of counsel?
Samantha Nelson for the state is ready.
Uraga for Ms. Macias, we're ready, Your Honor.
You are Myrna Macias.
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Solemnly swear affirm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen, ma'am?
Yes.
Charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated, alleged to have occurred January 29, 2020 in El Paso County, Texas. To those charges, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Plead guilty, Your Honor.
Any priors, Ms. Nelson?
No convictions, Your Honor.
All right. Court will find you guilty, Ms. Macias, since you don't or actually find the evidence substantiates a finding of guilt, place you on deferred adjudication for 12 months, $800 fine, 400 of that is probated, $30 a month supervision fee, complete 70 hours of community service, attend DWI school, victim impact panel, breath and urine analysis, a 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew where you can't be out unless you're working or going to school, $15 video fee, camera interlock on your vehicle. You're not to drive anything that does not have that device installed, and reimburse El Paso County for court costs. Now, Ms. Macias, you were having a hard time while you were on PR bond with going in to take your UAs. I take violations on your interlock very seriously. You can ask Mr. Uranga about that. So I hope I do not have to see you, because this time you'll be looking at up to 180 days in jail.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything further, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Nothing further from the defense, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too. Have a good weekend.
You too, Judge.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Samantha.
All right, we'll see you all at